Let's build up again. What may have been destroyed can live again, can grow again, can have opportunities again. This is not over. It's just another year, another life, another chance. And we must be responsible to make it better and hold on to it together. We don't have permission to quit. The circumstances that we are facing, but then it comes to us as the people. We may not all think the same, but we all have the ability to come together in love, to be able to move on to the best thing in our lives. No more will we submit. No more will we say we're done. You're not done yet. Your life is still here. You have it. It is in you. It is in us. In 2021, here we come. And we're gonna do what's necessary to live on strong. To all the beautiful people in the world, I want you to be strong. I want you to continue to move forward. And from the bottom of my heart, 2021, we are one, and we all must conduct our business